Hi everyone, so we're officially in Lubeck, Germany right now. ACT.IVAL starts today. I mean, we arrived yesterday, but it officially starts today. So there will be like more than 250 young people coming to this small town, and we're gonna have amazing 4-5 days. And I just hope that it's gonna be as amazing as my friends told me that it would be. My role here is somewhere between participant and a crew member. I will be a training assistant for workshops on Saturday. Other than that, I will be participating in the rest of things that they have planned for all the participants. So I'm really looking forward to it, and stay tuned so we can find out what's gonna happen. So I'm officially in my room. Cute details are just crazy. I live for these things. And let's see how the rest of the day will go. We should have a meeting and a dinner together. This is my goodie bag. I don't know what's there, but I will film it and show you. Okay, so I got my tote bag. This is event rules and guidelines. This is just information leaflet, which I already have, and the bottle. It's official. Welcome to ACT.IVAL 2025. Okay, this is the first day of ACT.IVAL. We are having a breakfast, and I'm just running out of time, so that's all you get. So now we're at the media docks. This is where the whole ACT.IVAL will take place, including workshops and so on. And I'm just trying to find my small group space, which is Venice. I know, Italy again.
Once again, welcome to the ACT.IVAL for Future 2025.
I have found my room because, I mean, at first it was hard to find it because it's written in German. Turns out Venice in German is Venedig. So we'll see how it goes. These are the love letters. It's so cool, like there's so many people. We came here to explore Lubeck. Third time for me, but I think it's gonna be interesting because I don't know anything about the historic facts of the city, and it's actually nice to learn about it. For example, the cathedral, that's actually quite old and was damaged during the World War II, I believe that's what they said. And the hospital that I'm gonna show you now in the background, it's also pretty old.
Red brick Gothic structure and spires.
ACT.IVAL is the greatest event of 2025, as we are here with 200 participants in Lubeck, and we are taking place in many activities that involve topics like social justice, and topics that include the youth, to explore more topics on political and
That's perfectly splendid.
We're back after our tour. There was a coffee break which I missed. I got the coffee, not the cake, but I'm okay. Hello everyone, this is day 2 of ACT.IVAL 2025, and now as the training assistants, there are 5 of us, finally got some tasks to do again. This morning, because today is the workshop day and there are gonna be like 14 workshops going on simultaneously, and there are 5 of us and we have to help the trainers with logistics and executing some workshops and tasks with the whole group. So we will see how this goes, but now we're heading towards the media docs quite early to put some things in order, because we left some things unfinished yesterday. We didn't have enough materials, but now we're gonna go there and finish that, and let's see how today goes. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so I set up 3 rooms. I met like 5 trainers, and I think for now everything is going well. I'm here just walking around in case they need help, but they seem to have everything under control. And now we just let's just wait and see how these workshops actually go, and if they need more help from me. It's a break here. We helped out a lot. I attended parts of one workshop, which was delivered by one and only Maria Pia, who happens to be one of the young European ambassadors from the EU chapter. And if you didn't know, I'm a young European ambassador in Georgia. But if there's an interest, I will actually record a separate YouTube video about that. But I just wanted to outline that there are a number of YAs on this event, and I was so happy to meet them in person, get to know some of them, or just, he's not one of them, he's one of them. So overall experience was quite nice. I feel like we're wrapping up soon, and we'll help out with the, we're gonna clean up. We're gonna clean up and prepare for tomorrow, and then I feel like tonight is the night where we're gonna have a little more fun, because 2 days have already, 2-3 days have already passed, and tomorrow is our last day together. Hopefully only for this ACT.IVAL, and we will meet again, but then again. And I'm really excited about this because I was told that this will be more fun, but for now this has been like little more work, in the sense that we attend, we learn, we grow, which is great. I wanted this informal part to be included a little bit more. Maybe it was my fault, but we will see what tonight holds. When you're feeling low, only hit the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. And you let her go. 3 of ACT.IVAL 2025. I'm walking alone because I'm late. I didn't eat breakfast. I wanted to take a shower, so I mean that's okay. I'm hungry, so I have this energy bar that they gave us yesterday in our tote bags. So hopefully this will save me till coffee break or lunch. Thank you so much.
Today we have a reflection. We talk about our workshops and we talk about also, I forget.
Also about the projects that we're gonna implement when we get back.
Yes, what we will change about in our community and yeah.
And where are you going back to?
What?
Where are you going back?
Armenia.
Georgia.
Yes, we're neighbors.
Wait, wait.
Only thing now is missing. Only thing missing now is crown, and I'm like a princess.
Yeah. No, queen. You're a queen, I'm the princess.
Okay, so we came back to the hostel after the official closing of the ACT.IVAL 2025 and we changed. Now we're going back to, we have a farewell party, but before we have to have our burgers, last meal of today, and so many people already left, so it's kind of heartbreaking, but we will see. Okay. And after 2 hours of waiting, the moment has come. It's officially here. And I haven't even taken a bite before I told you this, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Now it's party time. We arrived finally to party.
ACT.IVAL 2025 is officially over, and now we're in Hamburg to spend 4 beautiful hours exploring the city again. But now I have some company, so dała box set. We will see you next year in ACT.IVAL. I mean, hopefully. Bye.